Did you know that Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, is built on a volcanic field with more than 50 volcanoes? That's right. Beneath this bustling urban landscape lies an ancient volcanic field, where each cone tells a story of a fiery past. This unique geological feature doesn't just lend Auckland its breathtaking scenery, it's also the foundation of its adventurous spirit. But what kind of thrilling activities could this volcanic terrain possibly offer? Hold on tight as we're about to go on a thrilling journey that will uncover the secrets of this city. Imagine a city where every corner offers a new adventure, a new story. From the soaring heights of Mount to the serene beauty of Rangitoto Island, each volcano has shaped the city in its own unique playground for those who crave adventure. But what if I told you there's something even more exhilarating hidden in the heart of Auckland? Something even the most daring thrill seekers might find hard to believe. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the city's adrenaline-filled wonders. These natural wonders have given rise to a city that thrives on exploration, on discovery. They've carved out caves to explore, mountains to climb, and landscapes to marvel. If you're an adrenaline junkie, you're in for a treat. You won't believe what you can do in this volcanic city. From sky-high thrills to underwater wonders, Auckland offers a plethora of adrenaline-pumping activities. If you're someone who thrives on excitement and can't live without a dash of danger, then you're in the right place. Let's start with an iconic Kiwi experience, bungee jumping off the harbor bridge. This is not just any bungee jump, it's a leap of faith from one of Auckland's most famous landmarks. As you prepare to jump, your heart will be pounding, your palms sweating, but once you take that leap, the rush of adrenaline is indescribable. You'll find yourself plunging 197 feet towards the sparkling Waitemata Harbor, with the city skyline providing a spectacular backdrop. It's a must-do for any thrill seeker visiting Auckland. Ever wondered how it feels to jump off a bridge? Well, your curiosity is about to be satisfied. Sky jumping off the Sky Tower. This is not for the faint-hearted. Imagine standing at a height of 1,076 feet, looking down at the city spread beneath you. Then, you jump. It's a controlled descent, a vertical drop at around 52.8 miles per hour, with nothing but the wind rushing past you. But can you imagine the thrill of jumping off the tallest building in the Southern Hemisphere? It's an exhilarating, heart-stopping experience that offers a unique perspective of Auckland City. For those who prefer their adventures a little less airborne, there's the underwater world at Goat Island Marine Reserve. Imagine donning a snorkel and diving into the clear waters of this marine sanctuary, getting up close and personal with a myriad of marine life. From playful dolphins to colorful schools of fish, the underwater world at Goat Island is a breathtaking spectacle that will leave you in awe. But what if I told you there's more to Auckland's underwater adventure? Stay tuned. And last but not least, hiking the volcanic cones. Auckland is built on a field of 53 volcanic cones, each offering a unique hiking experience. As you ascend, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the city and harbor, making it a perfect way to end a day of adventure. But wait, there's more. Auckland's adventure continues. Beyond these well-known activities, Auckland has many hidden gems for the adventurous at heart. Let's delve deeper into the city's lesser-known but equally thrilling offerings. Imagine yourself black water rafting in the Waitomo glowworm caves, surrounded by a galaxy of tiny, radiant glowworms. It's an otherworldly experience that leaves you breathless. Or perhaps you'd prefer to feel the cool sea breeze on your face as you navigate through the clear, azure waters of the Hauraki Gulf. Sailing here isn't just about the journey, but the incredible marine life you'll encounter along the way. And for those who crave a rush of adrenaline, quad biking on the black sand dunes of Karioetahi Beach is a must. Feel your heart race as you tackle the towering dunes with the roaring waves of the Tasman Sea as your backdrop. Auckland truly is a city where every day can be a different adventure. So, are you ready to discover your ultimate Auckland adventure? In this brief journey, we unveiled the thrill that awaits in Auckland, the city built on more than 50 volcanoes. We've touched on its unique geographic features, its top adrenaline-fueled activities, and its less-traveled paths that lead to hidden gems. From bungee jumping off the harbor bridge to exploring the volcanic landscapes and secret beaches, Auckland's adventure scene is as diverse as it's exciting. Remember, every adventure begins with a step. Take yours in Auckland and experience the thrill of a lifetime.